If you look at this scenario here, the R1 level of August has still not been tested. So this price structure and this price structure, this was pretty similar. So this monthly candle close is going to act as a very strong resistance. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining in. So looking at the current Bitcoin price action, you can see guys, as expected, price also came to the monthly CPR level, and you can see guys the importance of this CPR, because you can see exactly after reaching the upper line of this CPR, price found support. And also if you go in the central and look at the central CPR this week here, this massive flash crash actually came exactly at the central CPR level and then started reversing to the upside. And this was what we were also expecting, because the time when I did my video, the price was somewhere around this 11,300 level, and I said there is a high possibility for price to get gravitated towards the monthly CPR level, and you can see here it actually did. And now why the price is finding difficulty to break this current level. Today I'm actually going to show you the exact reason why we are finding difficulty to break this 9,400 level. And now before I actually dive into the content, I would really appreciate if you could smash the like button and also hit the subscribe button if you're watching this for the first time, guys. So now let's dive into the content further. So if you look at this here in a whole, guys, this monthly CPR indicated, hey, this is actually an ascending CPR, though each and every month it made higher highs, right? This CPR compared to this CPR, look at this CPR, we are still heading to the upside. And one interesting scenario, when the CPR is an ascending CPR, the R1 level, the resistance, the monthly R1 level has always been tested. You can see here at the end of the month, price came to test the R1 area here. And similarly, you can see also in May, since it was an ascending CPR, also in May, price came and tested the R1 level. And here in June, similar case. At the beginning of the month, you can see here, price came and tested the R1 level. And also here in July, we stated very clearly in our video that there is a high possibility for price to also test the R1 level, which it did, and it actually also tested the R2 and almost the R3 level in our case, right? And now if you look at this scenario here, the R1 level of August has still not been tested. So what does this mean? This is a very good opportunity for CPR traders looking thing in bigger frame, right? Because if you look at this scenario here with the help of this monthly CPR, guys, there is also a very high possibility for price to test this R1 level at the end of the month or in the coming days, because right now we are having a difficulty to break to the upside. And I'm actually going to show you the reason why we are facing difficulty to break at this 10,400 level. And guys, if we actually break this 10,400 level, this is going to be an easy run to the R1 level, which is going to be exactly at 12,200 level, guys. And if you want to know some more target in a monthly CPR, let me show you that this was our R1 area. So if you look at the R2 and R3 area of monthly CPR level, you can see this is the R3 level, okay? And let me show you guys, in our case, if this is a scenario, our R2 level is exactly at 13,150 and our R3 level is going to be around $14,820, guys. So around this area, these are our target area. Since the price is also in a heading to the upside, there is high possibility for price to test the monthly resistance level, which is at 12,250 area. And also if this gets broken, guys, we might also see a run to test the second R2 area, which is going to be around 13,160. So now let's find out the reason why the price is actually finding difficulty to break this exact reason, guys. So let's switch into another chart. So guys, now if you actually look at the price action of Bitcoin, I've mentioned the months which have passed already. So this was the March, April, May, June, July, and now we are in August. So why I'm actually showing you this, for those people who has been following me since early days, guys, they know exactly what I'm actually trying to show right now. And for those people who has recently joined my channel, first of all, guys, welcome. And now I will show you something very interesting thing. Most of the people are not taking it seriously. So if you look at this price structure here, according to our CPR, we are actually heading to the upside because CPR is an ascending CPR, right? But if you look at this price structure here for Bitcoin and notice I'm actually going to show you the monthly candle close, guys. So this was the 31st of March. So this candle here, you can notice on the bottom line, you can see the date, right? This was from 31st of March. This is the 1st of April. So where did the candle actually close? So at 31st of March, this candle actually closed at this particular level, right? So now we are going to look at for the April month. So where did the candle actually close for the April month? In this case, you can see here on the bottom line. So this here was 1st of May. So in this case, this candle actually closed here, right? So exactly from that level, what we are going to do, we are going to draw a line just like this one here, right? And now again, similar way, what we are going to do next month, look for the end of the month candle close. So in this case, 31st of May, and here this is the 1st of June. So now we know, okay, around this area, this here was the 31st of May. So this here, this candle actually closed at this particular level, right? You can see here, sorry for that. So let me do it one more time. This was from the 31st of May. So yeah, exactly at that particular level. And now we are also actually going to look at the July month. So where did the June month actually close the candle? So let's see for the June month. This was the 30th of June. This was the 1st of July. So this candle actually closed exactly here, the end of the month, this candle closed, right? And also for August, where did the monthly candle close? So in this case, this was 29th of July. This candle here was 30th of July. This is 31st of July. So this candle actually closed exactly at this particular level, right? So in this case, now this is how we are going to look the price action. If you look at the price structure here and notice the price movement, okay? So if you look at this one here, price headed straight to the upside, right? It found rejection. I'm not showing you the CPI line. It came back to retest the monthly candle close level. So this yellow line was the monthly candle close level. You can see after reaching the monthly candle close level, it found support, and then price started heading to the upside, right? Again, it found rejection. What happened with the price? It came back to retest the monthly candle close level. Again, went back to retest this previous high level. It failed, and again it came back to the monthly candle close level. This monthly candle close level has acted as a very strong support when the price is heading to the upside, and when the price is below this monthly candle close level, it has also acted as a resistance. And you can see here, it again found support, headed to the upside, right? It failed to break to the upside. It came back to find support around the monthly candle close level, and you can see price hovered around this particular level, and when it broke this bearish candle, the price also went below the monthly candle close level. And you can see after this, the price had very difficulty to break to the upside. And now you can see this fake out here. After that, price came right back in around this particular level and then started heading to the downside, guys. And you can see this price movement here when we actually went below the monthly candle close level. This was also one very interesting scenario, because most of the people were overlooking this area, and I said it very clearly in my video. Because you can see here, after that we had the difficulty to break to the upside. Price also closed below the monthly candle open level. And now you can see here, when we started a new month, July month, this here was the new monthly candle close level. So when the price actually broke this level, you can see this bullish candle in a daily time frame. You can see this popping up here, right? So if the price wants to break this level, there need to be a really bullish candle forming, or if it's going to break below this structure, then there must be a very bearish candle forming. So it's not going to be the smaller candles, it's going to be candle like this here, like this here. For example, you can see here, when it broke the structure, it was a really bullish candle, and after you can see a bearish candle followed right away, and then price also headed inside, and now it's also below the monthly candle open level. And you can see here, now this monthly candle open level acted as a very strong resistance. Price failed to break to the upside, and then again it got reversed back to the monthly candle open level of July. So we found support, and on my video I have actually said you guys very clearly, if price breaks this level, I'm going to take long from here. And those people who actually followed me, hey, this was a really nice profit, because we knew that this candle here or this level here has acted as a very strong resistance plenty of time. Price failed to close here. Price also failed to stay above this area. Also, it failed to break above this area, and we knew if this is going to break above this area, we need a confirmation, and then we are taking long. And people were actually asking me question like, what kind of confirmation are you talking about? Because if you look this price structure here in a 4-hour time frame, guys, you will notice that I'm actually talking about this price movement here. This is the confirmation, because in most of the cases what price usually does is after breaking the structure here, you can see here, right, price came and it didn't rally straight to the upside. What it actually did is it actually gave us confirmation, hey, I'm actually going to try this resistance or key level. So in this case, you can see after breaking this level, price came back to retest this monthly candle close level, which acted as a resistance here. You can see here, right? This also acted as a resistance around this particular level, but here the same resistance line acted as a very strong support. So after reaching this area, the price headed to the upside. So that's the confirmation what I was talking about. And if you also look at this scenario right now, guys, around this area where we are, this is also now a monthly candle close level. So this monthly candle close is going to act as a very strong resistance, just like here with the previous example. So if the price wants to break this structure here, this monthly candle close level, we need a very bullish candle to do so. And guys, if you also look at this price structure, one more second. So if you look at this price structure now, you will notice that we actually had this price movement already in the past month. Because if you look at this price structure here of Bitcoin and notice at this price structure here, okay, so this price structure here, you can take this bar, guys, and notice that this price structure and this price structure, this was pretty similar. Guys, if you look at this price structure and now look at this price structure, this actually also gave us an indication, hey, the price here had the similar drop just like here with the current Bitcoin price action, right? And now you can see here we had this similar pump to the upside, but there was a difference because here we were clearly above the monthly candle close level. So that's why we had this power to head to the upside in this case, right? But in our case right now where we are, even though we are making a similar move, the price is below the monthly candle close level. So now a bit different, because if we break this structure and price actually also close the day above this line, guys, then we might see a run to the upside. And for those people who are looking for opportunity, let me switch back to the CPR, monthly CPR line, and show you some important level, okay? So for those people looking for opportunity, as I said you, this line right now where we are, this is the monthly candle close level. So this monthly candle close level is going to act as a very strong resistance, and we can see after reaching this particular level, price has also got a rejection, right? So for me, I'm going to accumulate some more if the price comes around this particular level. So in this case, I am keeping my eyes around this central CPR line. So in this case, it's going to be around this 10,600 to 10,500 level. So if actually the price comes around this level and then gets bounced to the upside, perfect, really perfect, because I am actually going to accumulate if the price is coming around this level, because this area is where my eyes is going to be right now. Because if this is going to act as a resistance, then maybe we can see some more attempt to break the upside and then price coming back to the monthly CPR level again. And now let's also look into another very interesting chart. And also guys, now if you look at this price action here of Bitcoin on the left hand side and silver on the right hand side in a daily candle, for those people who are watching this video for the first time, guys, this here is actually a forecast of Bitcoin price action. Because if you look at the silver, when we did this video, the price of Bitcoin was somewhere around here, right? And we said, hey, if this is going to be a similar pattern just like here with the silver, then there is a breakout also very likely to happen just like here with the silver. And in this case, you can see here it actually happened, and the price also had this really nice move to the upside. We had this consolidation phase, and in Bitcoin we are also having this consolidation phase. Maybe in our case it's going to last a bit longer because we didn't got the expected breakout just like here with the silver. But as I said, maybe we need some more consolidation before we have another breakout, just like here with the silver. So this consolidation, what we are witnessing right now, and also this price correction, this is not a bad sign, guys, because if you look at this scenario here, what might be unfolding behind the scene, guys, this is actually a very bullish sign still, because we are gathering energy for the next breakout. So guys, this is what I actually wanted to share with you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions and if you want me to cover any of your favorite altcoins, feel free to write that in the comment section below. I'm definitely going to have a look at it. So guys, by saying this, I'm signing off. My name is Anup. Bye bye.